I've actually had trouble with, pain in my mouth due to cavities or things that were going on that I didn't understand and had trouble chewing. And I mean, there were times when I couldn't wait to get to the dentist. It was over the weekend, and then I held out until I got ready for Monday, and I called, and Dr. Miller got me right in. I had trouble chewing. I could not sleep, and then once I talked with him and he came in and took care of my needs, everything was fine. He makes sure he looks at the situation, determines what is needed, and then he assesses it, tells you exactly what he's going to do, and then he starts working on it. If there's pain, what he'll do is he'll deaden the area and then make sure that you're comfortable before he starts the procedure. He does the best job in filling cavities, fixing root canals, even bridges. I've got bridge work that he's done, and he does excellent work on bridges. I've even had other people say, your teeth are so beautiful, because, and I let them know that Dr. Miller is responsible for that. And I have told all my friends that he's got an excellent staff. If you need to get in immediately, they make a way for you to get in immediately. He's just excellent. He takes care of all your needs, and you can be comfortable knowing that you're in the best care possible when you meet and come to see Dr. Miller.